So this is a fun video, everyone, because we are going to style our app that we built in the previous videos that shows jokes every 30 seconds. And you see we have them right here. And I think it's a bit faster. If we go to the code, you see it's every 10 seconds basically. All right, so I have 10,000, which means every 10 seconds. Anyway, let's close code.js and let's go to index.html. So you see I have index.html open, and inside of that div, you see I have given it the ID of output, and this joke is coming from this data.json file, and we are printing it using our JavaScript skills. All right, so we typed this code in the previous videos, so I want you to take a look at that. So now let's style this. I'm gonna make it look better. So to do that, inside of the head, you see I have the style tag. You can link an external sheet, but I'm not gonna do that. And inside of the head, I'm using the style tag. All right, style, and I'm closing it here. So inside of this style tag, we can add CSS. And let me select that div. So I'm going to say hashtag output. And as soon as I type that in, AI is going to help me or going to suggest some code there, but I'm going to ignore it for now. So you might see some suggestions, but I'm going to ignore it. So output, I'm going to say font family. So let's change the font family to comic. So comic sans serif. All right, so that's the first thing. And now let's see. Let's go to JavaScript, and let me make it faster. So I'll make it very fast, so it will print it like crazy. So I'll make it 1 second. So 1,000. Okay, so 1,000, right? Now let's go to the next line, and let me change the font size to 30 pixels maybe. So you see, it looks like this now. Let's align text center and add some margin to the top. So I'm going to say margin top, margin, margin dash top, 20 pixels. All right, so it will move it down a little bit. It will add some margin there, and as you can see it. And let me add a background color. Let me go with something like sky blue. And as you notice, we have added that there. I know it's fast now. It's showing that fast, but it's okay. Let's not worry about it for now. Let's change the color to white. So color white. All right, and let's make the background darker. So I'm gonna just slide it over here. All right, so you see it's nicer now. Let's add some padding. So I'm gonna say padding 20 pixels. So padding 20 pixels, just like that. And let me add a border radius, but before I do that, I'm gonna add a semicolon here. Semicolon. All right. So you see we have it there. I know it's fast now because I changed it to 1,000, so it shows a joke every second. I can add something funny. So I'm gonna say output. So hashtag output. So output. I'm going to say before. So before it, I want to add a content here. So I'm going to say content. All right. So content. And inside of this content, you can add a forward slash, and it's going to add that before anything. So I have an emoji. So I have an emoji here, and I'm going to place it for the content. So you see, it's going to show that emoji there. And if you want to add this emoji after it as well, you can say hashtag output after, and as you notice, it's going to add an emoji before it and after it. And let's add a border radius to the output itself. So I'm going to say border radius, so border dash radius. Let me go with 20 pixels. As you notice, it's going to make the border rounded, just like that. And it looks nice. And I think this is it for this video. So you see we have built this app using index.html. So we have some HTML here. We have added that div there. And also we are using code.js to load jokes, and to do all that stuff, to print a random joke from this jokes.json file. And as you can see it, we have some jokes. We have about 5 jokes here. And I'm gonna post this app on my GitHub pages, alright? So you can get this for free. You can take a look at it and have fun with it. Alright, so now let's go to File, Save As. I'm gonna click on Save All. So you see I have saved it and everything's saved. So now we can simply look at the jokes, and let me make it a little bit slow because you see it's kind of fast. So 1000 is a lot. Let me go about 5000. So 5 seconds, alright? So every 5 seconds, it's gonna add a joke. Alright, so I hope that you liked this video, everybody.